Alright, first startup of the Vortech Supercharged new Edge Mustang GT. Oh, it's loud. Yeah, it's running a little bit rich. For sure it's running a little bit rich, but there's no tune. Got the wideband on here. It's running a little bit rich. Not tuned, gotta keep it, you gotta like drive it very, very slowly. Damn, it's loud. Oh my God. Yeah, it's running a little bit rich. Damn. It's all good though. We gotta drive this very, very lightly. I'm gonna pop this hood real quick so I can show you guys. Roll this window down all the way just in case. We have not changed the injectors of the pump yet because obviously I don't have a bass tune, but I'm just gonna limp it home. Cooled. No more fog lights because we have the intercooler. This shit loud as hell. Yeah, it's running a bit rich. We're gonna take it slow though. Swap over to the GoPro. Alright boys, let's take this slow. Let me go ahead and actually put my seat up a little bit more. Oh my goodness. It's been quite some time since I've driven this car, but oh yeah, it's running rich. I literally hear the blower going. We got like a bootleg AFR gauge here, but that's because I have the mount at the house. I didn't actually have it in time for the install, but oh my gosh. Alright, we're just gonna like kind of just cruise the car. I'm not taking it over 2,500. Oh my God, I hear the blow off valve too. Like it's actually like super, super loud. Oh my God. Yeah, this is like nerve-wracking because like this is like the first time that like this is the first time I've driven like a boosted Mustang, and like I need to try to keep the the AFRs like not going too crazy. Like I don't want it to hit 15, like around 14.5, you know, it's fine. cruise it. Like it's just jumping. Now the only reason I'm doing this is because we still have the stock injectors and the stock pumping right now. I have the other injectors. I have 80-pound injectors, and I do have a upgraded fuel pump, and we're actually still on the stock MAP sensor right now. Whew. We'll swap that out when it needs to get tuned, but I'm just gonna cruise it home. At 2,000. Man, I really got to get my right turn signal fixed too. I literally hear the blow off valve though. Oh my goodness, bro, it's loud. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's loud as fuck. It's like psst. Ooh, shit. Almost stalled it. Very jumpy now. Like it's sketchy to drive. Like I cannot put this into boost at all. Oh my goodness. I literally hear it outside the car. Like this blow-up valve is so loud. I'm not even gonna rev it, but it's gonna be screaming. This head unit is so loud. I wonder what it sounds like with the windows up. You literally hear it. You literally hear the blower spinning, like inside the car with the windows all the way up. Oh my god. If I wasn't like on a busy road, you'd be able to hear it a lot more. I literally hear the blow-off valve right now. Just while cruising, I hear the blow-off valve. It's not even like a max race when it's like this is a tile, it's a tile blow-off valve. And this is wild. Like when I give it gas, it just stays around like 14, it's 15 sometimes. It needs a tune ASAP. Let's cruise this thing, let's cruise this baby home. mean, technically, like the car before, it had like the upgraded, dude, this blow off valve is so loud. Before it had the upgraded throttle body and everything, and I don't believe the car was tuned for that either. So I'm curious what the AFRs were with that on the car without a tune. Part of me feels like my AFRs are like this before I threw the blower on, but I mean, I'm not gonna sit here and say it was 100% because there's no way of me knowing. But if I didn't have this wideband gauge hooked up, because I knew as soon as this blower got put on, so I knew I had to take it home without like the actual bass tune on here. I knew if I didn't have the wideband, I wouldn't be doing this. So I need to know where the AFRs are to keep this under 2,500 RPM. It's loud though, like this thing wants to get ready and go. A 2.87 pulley on here as well, so we're probably going to be pushing around like 15 pounds of boost. A treadstone intercooler, so I mean it's going to make some decent power. I probably should get in the right lane, but fuck it, I mean, who cares? You see my AFRs are just jumping all over the place. I know this is loud as fuck outside the car too, like, cause it's this loud inside. I can't imagine what it is outside. Oh my goodness. Whew. To get gas, but damn. Let's keep it under 25. I'm gonna hit boost at 3K, I know that. I'll start going into boost at 3K. You can literally hear like the blow-off valve noise bouncing off the fucking K-rails, bro. Like, oh my god, it's literally that loud. Buddy. Yeah, this thing is so loud, bro. I'm not talking as much, but or at least right now, I'm just kind of trying to stay focused, keep it under 25. I literally, dude, it's so loud. It sounds badass though. Oh yeah, you hear the whoosh. Oh my god. And then an eye over here, the wee! I'm gonna pick this up when I get closer to the crib. Alright, so I made it back home. The car is good. The reason I didn't go ahead and record again after I just cut the GoPro off is because it started to rain super bad. Like, it was like a monsoon. I couldn't see like 5 feet in front of me, so I really couldn't record. But I wanted to add this at the end of the video, let you guys know. Made it home. The car is all good, and now we're just going to go ahead and throw it on the dyno, get it tuned, and then let it rip. So if you guys did enjoy, make sure you guys drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on those post notifications. Catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.